BMC Helix is introducing agentic artificial intelligence, AI, to transform enterprise IT work. The new BMC HelixGPT Knowledge Curator agent streamlines the creation and maintenance of knowledge articles by using generative AI. It assists authors by suggesting content, identifying gaps, improving language quality, and ensuring consistency with organizational standards. Liam has just finished working on resolving an incident in BMC Helix ITSM concerning a user whose laptop's operating system was recently upgraded, and subsequently the VPN client no longer connects. There was no knowledge article to help in the resolution, and so the ticket passed through a couple of support teams before the correct resolution was found and applied. Liam now wants to create a knowledge article to summarize the solution so that everybody can benefit from this knowledge. He uses BMC HelixGPT Knowledge Curator to do that by clicking on Create a New Article within the incident. Knowledge Curator opens within BMC Helix Knowledge Management and automatically creates a knowledge article using the incident data, such as summary, description, and work log entries entered during the incident lifecycle. It provides the details of the article it will create, and Liam chooses to accept everything suggested as a first pass. Scrolling down through the knowledge article, Liam sees that the laptop information has been carried through from the incident to the article and asks the knowledge curator to remove it. Liam is happy with the knowledge article and saves it. Liam then chooses to get the article validated by the knowledge curator. Knowledge Curator can review articles for quality and recommend improvements based on the knowledge-centered service, KCS, principles. Knowledge workers can use this capability to improve article quality and save time and effort in reviewing articles. Liam opts to accept the changes suggested by the Knowledge Curator. This functionality has been demonstrated in Helix ITSM. It is also available in Helix Business Workflows as seen here. The BMC HelixGPT Knowledge Curator agent boosts the knowledge management capabilities of a support organization and ensures the enduring high quality of its knowledge management base.